Good evening, Zach and Jordan. Today I spoke with several lawmakers on both sides of the aisle who are calling for those emergency powers that Governor Cuomo has to be removed. They say that those should go back to the legislature and that Governor Cuomo should be punished for his actions.
It's about getting justice for 15,000 souls that he killed with his order, and now he's lying about it and peddling false claims.
Governor Cuomo has been at odds with Republican lawmakers both at the state and federal level. Republicans continue to question the governor's March 25th directive from last year, which placed thousands of recovering COVID-19 patients into nursing homes and adult daycare facilities.
Now, they coincidentally leave out that the March 25th order was done after guidance by Trump's CDC and CMS.
That is flatly not true. The difference between what the CDC put out there, they put out guidance that said, consider this, consider that. But the directive that came from the Department of Health basically directed these institutions to saying they had to accept them, they could not test them, so there's a big difference.
Local lawmakers from here in the Twin Tiers have been calling for an investigation into nursing home deaths since the nursing home death spike in 2020.
I believe an investigation needs to be conducted. I've been calling for an independent investigation now for in excess of 7 or 8 months to look into this. The governor clearly stonewalled information from the public.
Democrats are joining Republicans in their criticism of the March 25th directive, including Democrat Ron Kim, who called the governor a bully.
He tried to implicate me on the call by asking me to do something unethical, possibly illegal, to cover up the cover-up.
I called him up, and I said, I don't understand. You were positive, said positive things in the meeting, and then the Post has you saying negative things.
Kim's Republican colleagues are quick to his defense.
Mr. Kim is a friend of mine. He's a dedicated public servant. He's been working. He's been speaking out passionately about this issue since the get-go. And again, Mr. Kim lost a loved one into nursing home during this tragedy.
Now, this investigation is multifaceted, and we here at 18 News will continue to bring you the latest. Today, though, this is sparking outrage across the border in Pennsylvania with GOP lawmakers there. Our reporter Ty Wong is live in our satellite center with more information. Good evening, Ty, and what can you tell us?